Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Savage and today we're going to be having a look at BTC. We've had a little bit of a move to the upside and we are looking to see whether we're going to have continuation of this move or is it going to roll over and we're going to look for some more lower lows. So before we jump into that, I would just like to say thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to show your support, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notifications so you keep up to date with all the videos that we put out, and also leave us some feedback in the comment section below if you have anything you'd like to say or coin requests or whatever you want to say down there. Okay, so let's get into the price action. So basically what we were looking at was we were looking for potential that we're going to retrace into this support zone, which we did. We landed on that 702 and we had reached 1-to-1 of this A wave, and we're talking about potential for us for an additional leg to the downside here, which didn't develop as we crossed higher than the point that we were looking at. And now what we seem to have is a 5-wave move to the upside developing. So basically what we'd be looking at is this is a 1, 2, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this high. This is a zigzag, so flat, zigzag, alternation. It's come down to this 50% zone, which is further indication that this is possible as a move, as a fourth wave. And now we're looking to push up towards the 17,341 to the 17,279 area. With this move, what we'd be looking for is the potential that once we complete, we would be looking for A, B, C to the downside. And all of this is looking to either complete this C wave towards this 18,780 area, or the alternative bullish breakout potential. So we're having a look at these two things. So I think we've got a little bit more in this. So this fifth wave, I'd be expecting a fifth wave to the upside here, provided there's not some kind of an extension going on in here, where we could be looking at a 1-2-1-2 situation. But otherwise, I think this is more probable. We do have the alternation here, so that's what's making me a bit more confident about it. But basically, we'd be looking for a retracement to the downside, potentially looking to target out this 17 and 17,027 area at a 0.618 retracement. And within this move, we would be looking at this potentially as so either this can be an A, a B, and a C, and we look to target out that 1-to-1 area, but ideally we're looking for a 5-wave move to the upside. So this is a potential. We could look to target this 17,457 and roll over from that point then. And what we'd be looking at then probably is that this would be an A wave, a B wave, and then we'd be looking for a C wave drop to the downside. I don't really like it because we're looking for that 5-wave move, but it can happen. So if we rather look for a 5-wave move, what we'd be looking is for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I just throw on the fib here quickly before I move to the upside here, what we'd be looking is for confirmation by coming into this zone here, looking for a retracement down to so this 17,636 would be confirmation of this, and we could potentially look to push up towards this 17,920 to this 17,807 area. But now, so within this move, this would be looking at it as a wave 3, and what I mean by that is all of this move here would become a 1, 2. All of this would be a wave 3 if I just move up here. So effectively, this would become a wave 3. Then we'd look for a wave 4 again and a 5. This could potentially look to either target out. Actually, if I just throw the other option on, that would be better. If this develops as a 5-wave move, it can either be the C wave or, like I will show you shortly here, if we throw this ABC off and we put this bullish breakout on, what we're looking for is potential that we have this 5-wave move here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then looking for the 5th wave to come up and target this 18,358 to 18,181 area. So we can see that if this secondary, if this 5-wave move here doesn't develops as it's been plotted here, we wouldn't reach this ideal wave 3 location, which is this 18,000. So it is possible we could see a little bit of an extension in here somewhere, maybe within this wave 3 or this wave 5, which might look to push us up towards this 18,000 area. Crossing this line would indicate that we would have this as a 1, 2, looking for this 3, 4, 5. Once again, this would put us below the bigger 5 wave option, the typical third wave location. So that would be looking at this whole move here as a wave 1, 2, looking to cross or looking for confirmation at this 19,155. So with all these moves, there's a few caveats to this, and basically we would be wanting, so like we talked about here, moving, so with this 5 wave move, moving down past this 1708 area would invalidate this 5th wave. Moving down past this 16,871 area would invalidate the potential of having a bigger impulse to the upside here. And finally, crossing this 16,678 here would invalidate the potential of this 5 wave move over here developing from this location. It is still possible that we could see this move down as a bigger corrective move, and we have maybe this as a B and a C, or this as a, all of this as a B and a C, and we look to target out this zone down here, the 16,417 to the 16,187 area. That's a typical, the most common area. It could fall deeper all the way down to this 15,738. Though breaking this 15,476 area would indicate to me that we have some further progression to the downside here. So at the moment, it's looking like we do have potential for this breakout to the upside, though we just need to be aware that we are still looking for a leg to the downside, and I would be expecting this to be in another 5 wave move. So from wherever this ends, we could look to move the same distance as we have had here. So if we move this to there, so depending on where exactly this this move completes, if it did complete here and there was just a completed ABC, then basically we could be looking for potential to target out this 12,500 area should we start to break down from this point, though I think there is a possibility for a little bit more in this tank. Obviously, the higher this goes, like if we come to this 1-to-1 of that C wave, this brings this target area right up. So that's just what I'm keeping an eye on for the moment. Until we break these lows, there is still potential and structure that we could look to more upside. So that's what we're going to keep an eye on. I hope everyone found this video useful. If you did, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave us some comments. In the description below, you will find a link to our Discord. Why not come and have a chat with us? Also down there, you'll find an affiliate link to BYBIT. Really is a great exchange. It's the one we use when we're doing our trades. Really, it is a great place to do trading. The interface is great, and yeah, just the whole thing. It really is. Okay, so everybody have a great day, and we will see you in the next video. I hope you all keep safe out there. Cheers.